How to fix cannot download apps on your Samsung on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix if your Samsung device is not downloading any type of apps. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes the issue seems to be that, let's say you're trying to open up Google Play Store or any type of app store which you have, and it's simply actually whenever you're trying to download the apps, it says that it's not able to download that particular application. So if I go ahead and download it, sometimes it gets stuck on pending or just some kind of issues like that. So in order to fix that, what you want to do is first of all simply make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. So try to use other social media apps and then verify if your internet is fine. If not, then what I would recommend you do is to simply open up settings and check storage available. So if you do not have enough storage and the application requires a far more better storage, then you will not be able to download that apps. So go to battery and device care and then go to storage option. As you go to storage, you want to make sure that you have enough storage left on your phone in order to actually go ahead and simply download a particular app. If not, then the problem also could be with your Google Play Store software version. So sometimes the Google Play Store application could be bugging in and of itself. So go ahead and open up apps and then go to, let's say, Google Play Store. So if I go ahead and simply search for Google Play Store, selected, go to storage and then tap on clear cache, and you might as well want to clear the data and then relaunch and relog into your Google account, and hopefully that will most likely fix the issue. If not, tap on the three dots and then tap on uninstall updates. Once you uninstall the updates, it will restore the Google Play Store to the factory version and all of the data will be removed. So go ahead and simply uninstall the updates as well, and hopefully one of these should definitely fix the issue. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.